So this is just a quick little video to help anybody out who's putting cab lights on a 3rd gen Dodge. Your instructions are going to tell you to run a wire, so you have your ground. It wants you to ground it up in here, around here in the headliner. And it wants you to run a wire down underneath the dash through a grommet underneath. I don't know if all trucks have this, but this is a little connector that clips like this over there. Or no, I'm sorry, like this. So I took my multimeter and I put it between these 2 prongs, and there's 12 volts there, which means one of those is a ground and one of those is 12 volts DC hot. I can't remember which one is hot. It's very simple. Just attach each prong to a ground. I grounded it behind there. There's a piece of metal with no paint on it. You can do 1 to 1, and if it has 12 volts there, you know the one that you had on the plug is your hot. And if you're reading nothing to one of these prongs to ground, you know that's your ground. That's just what I did, and that is 12 volts when you turn the headlights on. And that's what I did. That's how I wired the lights up in this truck. Not sure what that is supposed to go to. I'm kind of leaning towards maybe the cab lights. I don't know why the factory Chrysler cab lights say nothing in the instructions about it, but I know this will help some people out. So yeah, I'm not sure which one of these. I think that the orange and black was hot, but yeah, it's very simple just to test for yourself. And in my truck, it got its power when the headlights were turned on. So yeah, just check that out. If you're putting cab lights on a 3rd gen, there's a little extra piece of information for you to try, just to save you a lot of time. So I ran my my green wire that it gives you to there, to the hot, and then I just, because the green wire was meant to go all the way underneath the dash, so I cut that, spliced it to the ground, and it gave you one of those little circle connectors that you would screw a screw through. So I just crimped that together and put that as the ground back to this plug. I just cut it. So I wish the package and the cab lights would have come with this connector, that we could just pop it in, but whatever. Got my cab lights and we're good to go. So yeah, hopefully this helps some people out. Pretty interesting. I didn't know that would be there, but I saw it and I'd figure I'd throw my meter on it and see what it's got. So we're good. Thanks for watching.